Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the mobile data not working on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Okay, so first, simply, let's open up the settings. Let's now click on the SIM cards and the mobile networks, and sometimes even the toggling of the mobile data feature and turning it on. It helps with the proper working of your mobile data. If it doesn't work, we can always go back from here and go into the search bar, because it's the fastest way. Now type reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and the Bluetooth. Click on that, and now simply click on reset settings. Click on OK. Okay, now they have been resetted, and now in a while you can again open up your mobile data, and it might help with the proper working of your mobile data. Also, you should make sure that the SIM card in your device is inserted and placed properly, because sometimes even when it's wrongly placed, that is why the mobile data doesn't want to work. Also, you can enable the airplane mode for a second to reset mobile data. Simply now toggle it off. Now wait a few seconds, and the mobile data should start working just like that. And as a last thing, you can always restart your device. To do it, hold the power button just like that, select the reboot, tap once again, and now within a second the device will be ready to use again, and it might help with the mobile data. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.